I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the App Store and tapping your profile. This is where redemption happens. Enter redeem gift card or code, then use the camera or type the code manually. Make sure you sign into the exact Apple ID that runs Brawl Stars, otherwise the balance goes to the wrong account. Once done, confirm the added Apple ID balance and note the new dollar amount so you can plan the Brawl Pass purchase. You then open Brawl Stars and navigate to the shop or directly to the Brawl Pass section. Select the tier you want and press buy. The game will prompt the Apple payment sheet. Choose Apple ID balance as the payment method if it appears, because that uses your redeemed gift card funds first. Confirm the purchase with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. If the balance is insufficient, you can top up or authorize a secondary payment method. After purchasing, you should see the Brawl Pass active in-game. If not, check your Apple ID purchase history to confirm the charge. Restart Brawl Stars and allow a minute for server sync. This often resolves delayed unlocks. If your Apple balance was deducted, yet the pass didn't register, make sure you use the correct Apple ID and then contact Apple support with the receipt. Keep screenshots. One key tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.